All right. Good day, everyone. This is our practice for this week for one of our math homeworks, lesson 14 of module 5, where we are using measurements. And we in the classroom have been studying measurements and how to perform measurements with a ruler, a yardstick, using yards, inches, centimeters, comparing two different objects. And today we are using measurements or comparing two objects with measurements to find data. So, our first question is the red toy car goes 14 feet less than the green toy car. Let me get this out of the way. The green toy car goes 32 feet. How many total feet do the two toy cars go? All right, let me get my writing tool right here. So, um, first thing we do is cubes. And so cubes is an acronym where I taught everyone to how to solve story problems such as this. It's pretty simple if you understand what cubes is, so let me explain. So the C in cubes means circle, circle the numbers, not the words. My computer's running slow. And then after that, you underline the question, cubes. So you underline the question in the number sentence. Not number sentence, but in the story problem. Next thing you want to do is box the math action word. So less is the math action word. And I'm going to try to make a box. Something's wrong with my computer. Oh, it's a weird polygon there. Anyway, next thing you want to do is evaluate how are you going to solve this problem. Well, since I have the word less, I'm going to subtract. So it's going to be a subtraction sentence. And then we also, I've just found another math action word right here, total. See if I can make a box around total. So total means something else. So that should give you a clue right there. And then solve and check. So we're going to use the read, draw, and write method. So the first thing I'm going to do, I use my two known numbers. So I'm going to look at the first sentence. The red toy car goes 14 feet less than the green toy car. The green toy car goes 32 feet. So that means I'm going to have to subtract. So 32, oh my God, my computer, minus 14. I need an upgrade. Equals, okay. Now, I tell the class, hey, if you want to solve it any kind of way, I don't care how you do it. Just make sure you get it right without cheating, okay? The first one, 32 minus 14, I'm going to draw that. So, you know what I can do? I can use the 110s and ones. I'll do that. Oh my God, my computer is going so slow. That's why I can't write well with a mouse. All right, no hundreds, so I have tens, three tens. Ooh, that's weird. All right, and then two ones and 32. Then my subtrahend is going to take away 14. So I can't do that in the ones place, so I have to unbundle. One, two, three, four, five. Skip six, seven, 8, 9, and 10. So unbundle means you take away 110 and then put it in the tens in the ones place, 10 ones, because 10 ones make 110. Now I could take away 4. So I just cross out these two and then cross out these two. Then I count how many I have left: 3, 6, and 8. And then I have to take away 110 and I count how many tens I have left, just one. And 32 minus 14 equals 18. Now, we're not done because if we read the question again, it says, how many total feet do the two cars go? So now we got to combine them or find the total of the cars. And we do that, total means we're going to add. So we're going to add 18. Ooh, that's a bad 18. Let me see if I can do that one a little bit better. Plus 32, because the green car went 32, and we just found out that the red car goes 18 feet. So we got to find out. So let's just simply do another place value chart. Since we're adding, we're going to have to put both add-ins or both parts of the numbers into a place value chart, add them up, and when we're adding them up and we get to our magic number 10, we bundle and switch up the bag and put the 110 or 100 if we have 100. So let's do 18. Remember, with addition, it doesn't matter if you start with the lowest number or lowest add-in first. It doesn't matter because it's addition, and that's called the associative property. And we need 8 of these bad boys right here. See if we can do it. Yes, we can. And then underneath, start with the tens. We need 3 tens again. And then we need two ones, not 10 ones. All right. Now, simply add it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, that's our magic number. We're going to bundle or circle all of these ones to make 110. Just like 10 $1 bills makes 110. And so now we count how many ones we have left, which is 0. None are outside of the circle. Then count your tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, or just 5. Just write 5. Don't write 50. You'll make it 500 and it'll be wrong. And then we know the total is 50. 50 feet. And then simply just write the two cars go 50 feet. And it's very important that you have your student or students write this out. So it's just so it has a visual example of what to do, if this makes sense. And I'm a really bad writer with my mouse because my computer's going slow, really slow. All right, let me know if you have any questions, but that's how we do that one. We can do the same problem again. Just replace the numbers. Instead of having 14, try 15, and then instead of having 32, try 48. Have your child or students try those two. Just switch up the numbers in the problem, solve it, subtract, and then add to find out the total feet. All right. If you have any questions, please reach out to me on Class Dojo. Other than that, have a great rest of your time. Thank you very much.